Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Chips. Please subscribe to get latest video updates. In this video we are going to talk about strategy pattern. The strategy design pattern defines a family of algorithms, encapsulates each one, and makes them interchangeable. That is the whole thing which this pattern is made for. Strategy pattern helps the algorithm vary independently from clients that use it. The idea behind strategy pattern. The idea behind the strategy design pattern helps us to divide an algorithm from a host class and then move it to another class. By doing so, the client can choose which algorithm will be performed in runtime from a set of algorithms that were implemented earlier. Where to use this pattern? There are common situations when classes differ only in their behavior. For this kind situations, it is a good idea to isolate the algorithms in separate classes in order to have the ability to select different algorithms at runtime. The strategy pattern allows us to provide an alternative to subclassing the context class to get a variety of algorithms or behaviors, eliminates large conditional statements, and provides a choice of implementations for the same behavior. Use the strategy pattern whenever many related classes differ only in their behavior. You need different variants of an algorithm. An algorithm uses data that clients shouldn't know about. Use the strategy pattern to avoid exposing complex, algorithm-specific data structures. A class defines many behaviors, and these appear as multiple conditional statements in its operations. Instead of many conditionals, move related conditional branches into their own strategy class. The classes and/or objects participating in this pattern are: strategy, calculate strategy using iCalculate interface, declares an interface common to all supported algorithms. Context uses this interface to call the algorithm defined by a concrete strategy. Concrete strategy --plus implements the algorithm using the strategy interface. Context calculate client is configured with a concrete strategy object, maintains a reference to a strategy object, and may define an interface that lets strategy access its data. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more similar videos.